Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial about removal of boards that have XLRs on them that are lockable. These two come from Wadia 861 that I'm recapping and finishing this off, although it still has a problem, but there will be another video about it. And I've been asked this twice, but even though I answered the question, there's nothing like actually showing. So both the male and female, this is a transmitter board, that's the receiver, this is output and input to the Wadia, they are lockable. And as you see, there's a little tag there, and if you look inside, there is a slot for a screwdriver between pins 1 and 3. So if you put a screwdriver into that thing and you turn it clockwise, you see now the little thingy here locks the board. So all you need to do to unlock it is normally put the screwdriver blade horizontally and turn it like 1/8 of the turn, and that sort of does the trick. Same thing for the other one. As you can see, it has the same arrangement, although in here the screwdriver has to be even thinner. What I've done, this is one of the Aldi screwdrivers, I've actually filed it. I used to use those sort of cheap sets of jeweler's screwdrivers, but the handle there was very thin, and sometimes when these are locked, they don't really want to turn all that easily. So I filed this one a bit, but it does fit in, but you have to be sort of more forceful. And but obviously you have to do it with some feel, and once you know what you're doing, it's much easier. And now I have camera in one hand, so with one hand and that not being mounted is difficult. Anyway, I've recapped already the output board. The input board has capacitors removed. There's 12 of them there. So as you see, all that comes from just 2 of these. And I've decided to do these 2 boards, even though the owner doesn't really care about inputs and output boards. I do a lot. I would love to buy these for the 581 that I have. That is missing them. It's a basic version, and this is for the input-output version, which was an extra $1,000, $1,000 US, or a bit more even. So if somebody can copy those, or can copy the Wadia 16, which I have a layout and I can draw maybe even a diagram, I would love somebody to copy those input and output boards. Well, thank you very much, and until the next one. Bye-bye.